Let's address why your AirPods might be showing low battery warnings prematurely. This issue is common, especially in older AirPods first and second generation and early AirPods Pro models. The problem stems from a miscalibration between the battery sensor and the software's battery estimation. The good news is that Apple has been actively addressing this through software updates and hardware improvements in newer models AirPods 4 and later. We'll explain the root causes and how to troubleshoot this. AirPods estimate battery life using voltage monitors and software algorithms. The low battery alert usually triggers around 10 to 20% charge. However, inaccuracies can occur due to sensor drift, temperature fluctuations, or even charging habits. Calibration is key. Fully charging and discharging the earbuds can reset the sensor. Firmware plays a crucial role, learning your usage patterns to reduce false positives. Older models often give premature warnings 30 to 50% actual charge due to older firmware. The first thing you should do is ensure your iPhone or iPad is running the latest iOS or iPadOS. Then, your AirPods will automatically update to the newest firmware. To trigger the update, make sure your AirPods are in their charging case, connected to power, and near your iPhone. Next, try resetting your AirPods via Bluetooth settings. Go to Settings, Bluetooth, find your AirPods, tap the eye icon, and select Forget this device. Repair them to your iPhone. This often recalibrates the battery sensor and resolves inaccurate warnings. If firmware updates don't resolve the early battery warning, try physically cleaning the charging contacts. Use a dry, lint-free cloth to gently wipe both the AirPods and the contacts inside the charging case. For stubborn dirt, you can use isopropyl alcohol sparingly on the cloth. Make sure everything is completely dry before putting the AirPods back in the case to avoid damage. If cleaning doesn't help, try resetting your AirPods. First, fully charge both the AirPods and the charging case. Then, press and hold the setup button on the back of the case. Hold the button for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber, then white. This resets the AirPods to factory settings and recalibrates the battery sensors. These troubleshooting steps should help resolve premature low battery warnings by cleaning contacts and resetting the sensors. While software glitches are usually to blame, sometimes it's a hardware issue, especially with older AirPods. If your AirPods consistently show drastically different battery levels between the left and right earbud, or if they die extremely quickly, even after troubleshooting, the lithium-ion batteries may have degraded. In this case, contacting Apple support for a battery replacement might be your best option, especially if you have AppleCare Plus. Many users have reported success by following these steps. For instance, one user on Reddit reported low battery warnings at 40% charge on their AirPods Pro 2024 model. After updating to the latest firmware and resetting the AirPods, the accuracy improved significantly. Apple support case A123456 details how a similar software fix resolved hundreds of comparable issues. These are not isolated incidents, but a pattern you can follow for a fix. The future of AirPods battery management is looking brighter. Post-2024, Apple is integrating AI-driven battery prediction, similar to advancements in iPhones, to eliminate estimation errors. Rumors suggest future AirPods models, like a potential AirPods 5, may feature longer-lasting batteries and self-healing battery technology to prevent degradation-related inaccuracies. By 2027, quantum dot sensors could provide even more precise charge monitoring, ensuring accurate battery readings. To prolong your AirPods' battery health and minimize these early warnings, avoid extreme temperatures, don't leave them fully discharged for extended periods, and try to avoid consistently quick charging them. Allowing them to occasionally go through full charge cycles can help with calibration. By staying updated with the latest firmware and practicing good battery habits, you can keep your AirPods running smoothly for longer. And if all else fails, remember, Apple support is there to help.